In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from web pages into Google Sheets. This powerful skill can be incredibly helpful when you're trying to quickly analyze or manipulate online data without manual input. Let's dive in. First and foremost, you'll need to have the web page from which you want to extract the data open in your browser. This might seem like a simple step, but it's crucial because you'll be copying the URL directly from the page you're viewing. Make sure that the data you wish to import is displayed on this page. Sometimes web pages have multiple tabs or sections, so double-check to ensure you're on the right one. Next, open Google Sheets in your browser. You can either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one where you'd like the data to be imported. The great thing about Google Sheets is that it's cloud-based, so you can access your data from anywhere and collaborate with others seamlessly. Once you have your sheet ready, select an empty cell where you want the data to appear. It's generally a good idea to choose a spot that has plenty of adjacent free space, as the imported data might be larger than you anticipate. Now, it's time to enter a special formula into this cell. The formula we'll use is called ImportTML. This function allows you to pull tables or lists from web pages directly into your Google Sheet. Begin by typing ImportTML. This signals to Google Sheets that you're using an import function and tells it what form of data you are about to bring in. But that's not all. You'll need to copy the URL of the web page you have open. Once copied, return to your Google Sheet and paste the URL into the formula, enclosed in quotation marks. So, your formula will look something like this. ImportTML URL table 1. Let's break this down. You replace URL with your actual web page address. Table is the data type you want to import. It could also be list if that's what you need. And the 1 refers to the first table on the page. If there are multiple tables, you can adjust this number to select the one you want. After you've completed entering your formula, press Enter. Google Sheets will now work its magic. This process may take a moment, as Sheets is fetching the data from the web and inputting it into your selected cell. It's a good moment to take a breath. Perhaps double-check your formula entry and wait for the data to populate. And there you have it. With just these few steps, you can easily bring online data into your spreadsheets, ready for analysis or modifications. This process can save you a lot of time and effort, making data handling much more efficient. I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to experiment with various web pages and datasets to get a feel for this powerful tool. Thanks for watching, and happy data importing!